Folktales. Folktales, misconceptions and myths are the melancholic repentance of then and now. I am forsaken and belittled due to the pursuit of love by the so-called ethical and moral world. My confrontation with the world is not for land, a material possession, but for the desire of you. Aging before age. Aging before age, dying beyond death. These white hair, wrinkled face are the signs of our prolonged separation. Recalling my innocent youth, I now realize the ignorance of my infant love and beloved. In the glimpses of mere imagination, the birds sing lullaby and your Anwar converse with you.